talk about a tool that I just purchased. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my own money. And it is the Armor Auto Jig. And it's basically just a pocket hole jig. But the thing that is amazing about it is it self-adjusts automatically. You know, I've owned several KREG jigs over the years. I've made my own pocket hole machine, and although I do like the way that my pocket hole machine cuts the pockets, I don't like how hard it is to adjust it for different sizes. This, with just an automatic push to whatever thickness of board you have, it will not only set the depth of your pocket, but also set the collar on your drill bit. And you're done. You clamp the board down and you go. With any new tool that comes out, there has to be some innovation there to make it worth purchasing. And for me, that's what this tool is. It's innovative. It takes a task that is annoying and hard to dial in just right and makes it perfectly simple without even thinking, and so fast that you can go straight back and forth from one side to the other without even thinking about it. It has everything you need, even down to the Allen wrench stored right on the side for adjusting the collar. Basically, you can just set it down on your bench top, and as soon as you've opened it out of the box, start cutting pocket holes. On the side, there's a color coding, so depending on the thickness of wood, it'll tell you automatically which color screw you need to use and which size, just in case you're not buying their color-coded screws. So far, I've absolutely loved this jig so much that I wanted to make this video. I'll put a link in the description so you can check this out for yourself. Go to their website, check the reviews, see what you think. But if you don't already have one of these and you use a lot of pocket holes, I would suggest you get it. Well, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Tell me why you didn't like it. You know, it's hard for me to fix things if I don't know why you don't like them. I'll also post a link to my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're not already following me there, check those out. We'll see you next time.